guys, welcome to this amazing vlog. Today we are going on a super adventure. So if you are an ARMY, if you like BTS, you are going to love this video. Thank you for coming with us. Let's go!
So today I brought with me my friend. Hi! She's a huge ARMY. So 자기소개.
Hi, my name is Minhee. I am super excited to finally be able to go to a place where BTS stayed for 4 days. We really hope that this trip helps me and Daniela relax a lot as well.
So we are super excited because actually this is a new package. They opened it like earlier this month. So I know so many people have tried this before, so we're so lucky. Anyway, so yeah, right now we are in the train on our way to Pyeongchang. Actually, also, like yeah, we brought our ARMY bomb.
You see that? You see that over there? Minhee, what is it? What is it?
It's a BTS scene present!
We are going to do the unboxing. So first, we have the photo cards.
Oh my gosh, and they're such great quality. This is RM.
Slippers! Oh! What color do you think they are? Purple? Bingo!
Like what else?
Purple!
Oh, but that's a really pretty purple.
They're so fancy.
These slippers are worth getting.
Blanket.
Oh wait, it's 2 blankets!
Oh my god, they're so cool!
Both of them are. And they have this button so you can take it off easily.
The design is different.
We have the fabric perfume. We have the pouch. This is the bag you can take all your gifts in.
Can we try it on?
Yeah, I think so.
It's so pretty. You should buy it. It's so pretty. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. Oh, I like this one. I love the color.
I like the pastel tone.
We are on the bus. We are on our way to like the location where they film In the Soop season 2. So we are so excited.
It would have been more fun if we had more armies on the bus, and like the entire bus would have been like a little party bus for BTS songs. You can tour the entire thing and it takes an hour and a half.
So yeah, now we are going to In the Soop. Wow!
Go put them in the post box over there, and the post box is purple, so you can't miss out on it. Ta-da!
You remember he took a lesson
Online. I didn't know that was possible.
Oh, the cars.
This is the racing cars that J-Hope and V.
Now I understand why RM used to come here all the time. Look at this. The view is so beautiful from here. And look at this, all the books.
Hi guys!
Our trip just ended.
We're getting ready to go home.
How was it?
Oh, it was wonderful. It was a really great and meaningful 2-day trip. I think armies will really like this trip. Like, you should definitely come. And in the winter, it's great that you can also go skiing or bobsledding
Yeah.
at Phoenix Hotel. So, like, come here when you have the chance.
It was really like a really nice experience. And like in the Soop filming location, that was really nice, and it's huge. But anyways, it was a really wonderful trip, and I actually really recommend it. It was at the same time it was healing. Thank you so much guys for coming with us. We hope you had a great time as much as we did. See you soon. Bye bye. Tirin.